Thanks for logging on to NeoWeather.com on this Sunday, January 27th, 2013. We're going to have a bit of a wintry mix tonight. It's going to be very warm on Tuesday, and we'll see a lot of rain through Wednesday. I'll have all the details on all of that and more coming right up. Starting off with a look this morning at what's going on across the region. We have some filtered sunshine across northern Ohio, but thicker clouds are moving in from the west, and you see all that green and purple and pink. It's a wintry mix that we're going to be dealing with tonight. It's not really reaching the ground until you hit Illinois, but it'll slowly work its way in, and we'll have all those details on what it'll do here in just a minute. But first, a look at what's happening across the entire country this morning. There's a bunch of high pressure over the eastern U.S. It's quiet there. There's our system across the middle of the country spreading east, and you can see there's a bunch of energy over the western U.S. that's going to move out over the next several days and bring a lot of rain to the eastern U.S. and warm air as well. The west is going to remain active and cold over the next few days as well. Coming back to Cleveland now and taking a look at the numbers for today. Yesterday we did 24 and 16, which was again below normal. We had a trace of snow at Hopkins yesterday. We're at 1.15 inches of precipitation on the month at Hopkins and on the year, which is less than half of normal, but we're going to make up for that some over the next few days. And now let's take a look at what we'll do the rest of the day. Temperatures are going to rise into the 30 to 32 degree range this afternoon with increasing clouds. They'll fall off into the upper 20s early tonight before temperatures slowly rise towards morning with some snow and sleet and then rain and freezing rain moving in. Alright now, and we're going to show you here one of our forecast computer models for tonight. Here we are at 7 o'clock in the evening, and you see the forecast radar. And you see that blue line running from northern Indiana into southern Ohio. That is the freezing line, and that's what I want you to watch closely. Here we are at 10 o'clock. Precipitation spreading across the area. It'll initially fall as a brief period of snow and sleet and then go over to freezing rain. Here we are at 1 in the morning. Freezing rain across much of the area. And there's that freezing line. It's a little stubborn. By 4 a.m., areas are going to start slowly rising above freezing, and by 7 o'clock tomorrow, the freezing range should be into Pennsylvania. And as we head through the day tomorrow, just some scattered showers, and temperatures are going to continue to slowly warm. And the issue is that the ground temperatures are well below freezing, so tomorrow morning it's only going to be like 33 to 35 degrees, so it may still be slick in some spots for the morning commute tomorrow, and certainly if you're driving overnight, any untreated surfaces will be very slick, or even walking. Sidewalks are going to be very slick, so it's something to keep in mind, which is why there's a winter weather advisory. And the details on that winter weather advisory, if you're from Cleveland, Akron, Canton, points west, it runs from 7 p.m. to 3 a.m. East of there, including Lake Geauga, Ashtabula, Trumbull, Mahoning counties, it runs from 1 a.m. until 10 a.m. tomorrow. Essentially, we're going to start off as a period of snow and sleet this evening, maybe a half inch to an inch of snow and sleet, nothing significant. Temperatures are going to gradually rise above freezing. They're going to start rising above freezing, as you just saw, around midnight, way west of town, and it's going to take until the dawn hours for it to rise above freezing near the Ohio-PA line. And that's your timing for slick travel. It's going to be slick, anything that's not treated later tonight, as this snow and sleet and freezing rain moves in. And now let's take a look at one of our upper air forecast computer models here. Here we are tomorrow evening, and those are the winds aloft at 18,000 feet in the lines. The fill represents the temperatures a couple thousand feet aloft, shows the air mass we're going to be dealing with. Here we are. Big trough's going to be moving out of the west as we head towards Wednesday. Here's Wednesday morning. We're going to be right on near that transition zone Wednesday morning, and there might be a decent storm that rides into the Great Lakes to our northwest as this big trough moves out of the west. Either way, though, as we head towards Thursday and Friday, that trough is going to settle in right overhead, and it's going to be very cold again. There's going to be some lake effect snow, and we're going to be in an active northwest flow as we head towards next weekend. Here we are Saturday morning, still in that active flow. It's still cold. And as we head towards Sunday, there's another little system riding by. It's going to be cold. There's going to be some shots of snow for everybody and a little bit of lake effect snow in the snow belt. So we're going to have a lot to talk about here through the whole week. And now here's that all in your 7-day. Tomorrow we're going to change over to all rain by morning, rise into the middle 40s by tomorrow evening, and look at Tuesday. We're just going to keep rising in temperature Monday night and Tuesday. If we get some breaks in the showers, like I think we may, we could hit 60 degrees Wednesday. It's going to continue raining until it changes to snow by Wednesday evening. Anything that's left over, there could be 1 to 2 inches of rain across the whole area tonight through Wednesday. So there could be some minor flooding problems on area rivers. We'll watch for that. And then Thursday through Saturday, cold northwest flow. We see temperatures well below normal again. We'll set up a little bit of lake effect east of Cleveland again, and we'll have a couple of systems riding by. One maybe Thursday night into Friday, another one maybe Saturday. That'll give everyone a shot at some light snow, so we'll all get in on the action later this week. Once again, I'm Jim Sullivan. Thanks for logging on. Check us out again tomorrow.